Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best XPS oil is probably one of the most critical components for ensuring your snowmobile's peak performance and longevity, especially when tackling harsh winter conditions, as choosing the right lubricant directly impacts engine health, fuel efficiency, and overall ride quality, making it essential to understand its unique properties to protect your investment and maximize every thrilling adventure on the snow. Number 5. Ski-Doo Can-Am XPS 2-Stroke Full Synthetic Oil. This oil is specifically designed to meet the unique needs of Rotax DI and RFI engines. It ensures optimal performance and reliability for your power unit. It provides maximum protection against engine wear. This safeguards your engine's vital components, extending its lifespan. It uses a highly evolved additive package. This keeps your engine parts well lubricated, clean, and free from wear. Its low smoke and low odor formula contributes to a cleaner operation. This also allows for maximum engine performance. You can use it in direct and semi-direct fuel injection systems. It is also ideal for high-performance carbureted 2-stroke engines. What we like. This oil is specifically engineered for Rotax DI and RFI engines. It provides maximum protection against engine wear, ensuring longevity and peak performance. If you own a Rotax DI or RFI engine and demand specialized care, this is your go-to choice. What people say. No reviews available to extract points from. Please provide source reviews to fulfill the request. Number 4. Ski-Doo XPS 4T0W 40 Synthetic Oil Change Kit. Introducing the brand new, genuine Ski-Doo XPS 4T0W 40 Synthetic Oil Change Kit. It's specifically designed for your Rotax 900 AC engine. This is a factory original equipment item, ensuring perfect compatibility and performance. You can trust that it's not an aftermarket product. Experience ultra convenience with this all-in-one oil change kit. It's designed to save you both time and money. Inside, you'll find XPS synthetic or synthetic blend oil, an oil filter, O-rings, and a washer. Everything you need for a complete oil change is included. This kit directly replaces the prior part number 415130167. Ensure you have the correct and updated components for your maintenance. What we like. This is an ultra-convenient all-in-one oil change kit. It includes everything you need for hassle-free maintenance, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for a complete, genuine OEM solution for your Rotax 900 AC engine, this kit simplifies the process. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points about Ski-Doo XPS oil could be extracted. Number 3. BRP OEM 2-Stroke Synthetic Oil Gallon. This full synthetic oil is specifically engineered to meet the unique needs of Rotax engines. It ensures optimal performance for your machinery. It provides maximum protection against engine wear, especially in ETC engines. This helps extend the lifespan of your valuable equipment. Its advanced formula is designed for low smoke and low odor. This not only enhances your experience but also allows for maximum engine performance. It utilizes a highly evolved additive package. This keeps engine parts thoroughly lubricated, clean, and free from wear. With its highly effective components, it ensures all engine parts remain well lubricated and pristine. This prevents wear and tear, maintaining peak efficiency. What we like. This full synthetic oil is tailored for ETC engines. Its low smoke and low odor formula ensures maximum engine performance and a cleaner ride. If you prioritize peak performance and a more pleasant experience with your ETC engine, this formula delivers. What people say. Number 2. Ski-Doo XPS 2-Stroke Synthetic Oil. Experience years of trouble-free service with this premium synthetic oil. Manufactured under strict quality control, it ensures consistent, top-tier performance every single time. You can trust its quality for your engine. This oil is made to the highest standards, ensuring your machine always runs at its best. Its innovative design includes an easy-to-use locking system, preventing accidental spills. The cap also features a built-in filter, keeping harmful debris away from your engine. This product is designed with your engine's safety in mind. Its unique cap filters out impurities, ensuring only clean oil reaches critical components. Formulated with special additives, it actively protects your engine from wear and tear over time. It also resists oxidation at high temperatures, outperforming conventional oils for longer-lasting protection. This oil is built to last. It maintains its integrity even in extreme conditions, providing superior lubrication and protection for an extended period. What we like. This product offers excellent value with its multi-pack option. Its special additives protect your engine from wear and resist oxidation at high temperatures, ensuring long-lasting performance. If you are looking for a cost-effective solution that provides extended engine life and superior protection, this pack is ideal. What people say. No reviews found in the source content. No reviews found in the source content. Number 1. Ski-Doo Can-Am Sea-Doo XPS 2-stroke synthetic oil. Introducing a new OEM 2-stroke synthetic oil. This high-quality lubricant is designed for optimal performance and protection across various applications. It's specifically formulated for Ski-Doo, Can-Am, and Sea-Doo vehicles. Ensure your engine runs smoothly with this trusted oil. This is the XPS brand synthetic oil, conveniently packaged in a gallon case. It provides excellent lubrication for your 2-stroke engine. As an original equipment manufacturer product, it guarantees reliability and compatibility. Trust in its superior formulation for your machine. Before purchase, please verify its fitment for your specific model. This ensures you get the correct oil for your vehicle's needs. Look for part number 779127 to ensure you're getting the exact product. It's sold individually for your convenience. What we like. This is a genuine OEM 2-stroke synthetic oil, ensuring perfect compatibility. It comes in a convenient gallon case, perfect for regular maintenance or multiple vehicles. If you need a reliable, authentic product in bulk and want to ensure precise fitment for your machines, this case is a smart choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.